excited because today I have Audrey in the studio. We're going to be doing a full color on her because over quarantine, her hair faded and we want to bring it back towards her natural color. And then we're going to proceed from there forward for her total transformation. When it comes to coloring long hair, I am completely obsessed with the Fermar backwards bibs. It really helps keep everything nice and clean whenever you're doing the application. So to keep everything nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and separate her hair into 4 quadrants before I start doing the color application. Even though this is an all over color, what I want to look for is where her natural growth is. I want to start from where it's faded and work down first. Then I'm going to go back and apply it on the roots to blend it all together seamlessly. Now that I've applied the color to her hair, before I go in and do it on the roots, I'm going to use the Fermar Dye Defender. This is going to help keep her from staining on her skin around the edges. Now that I have all of her color applied, we're going to go ahead and let that sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to take her over to the shampoo bowl, wash all of that out at least twice, deep condition her, then give her ends a trim before we start her I-tip install. It's very important in all of the things that you do to make sure to keep the cuticle intact, not only on your own natural hair, but the extensions as well. So after you shampoo and get out of the shower, you want to make sure to squeeze the water out of the hair and don't rough the cuticle up in the opposite direction. This will also help prevent any tangles whenever you're brushing your hair out. So now that we have her completely blown out and ready to start the install, what I want to do first is go ahead and trim her ends because it's been 4 months since she's had a trim due to quarantine. So we're going to do that now before we start the install. So now we're ready to start her install. I went ahead and dropped the first row and I made sure that the section is enough so that when she pulls it up, you won't be able to see any of the extensions underneath. So Audrey came in today and her natural hair had faded down. She wanted to bring it back up to the same color as her roots, which is a level 5. We applied the color, took her to the shampoo bowl, rinsed and washed and conditioned her, brought her back over, gave her an amazing blowout, gave her a pre-trim before applying her 5 bundles of I-tip extensions. Once we applied those, we styled her out, gave her a trim, and here's the final product.